Discover your genius in the kitchen. La Germania.
Hey there, kitchen fundies! Welcome back to our channel where we celebrate all things delicious and inspiring in the kitchen. Today, we are kicking off an exciting series featuring the amazing talent from the University of Pretoria's Culinary School. First up, we have got Tamara, who's about to show us how to make a vibrant, tasty spinach tortilla wrap. So let's jump right in. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below to tell us what you think. So let's get cooking.